4. The esoteric state. Out of chaos comes the androgyne, and, according to Plato in the Symposium, out of the splitting of the androgyne come the sexes, and whether a man is a lover of men or of women depends on what part of that double nature which was once called androgynous they are derived from. Human nature was originally one, and we were a whole, and the desire and pursuit of the whole is called love. The polis, or Greek city-state, has often been called a men's club, and with reason, because in its gymnastics, games, music, and political order, it was a brotherhood of initiates into a divine wholeness. The city was a holy sanctuary, a sacred enclosure round an altar, the religious abode of gods and citizens. The real religion of the 5th century was a devotion to the city itself, to the wholeness and unity it represented. Divinity could reside in men, an opinion held by Aristotle and Plato, and claimed for himself by Empedocles. Scholars have attempted to give noble reasons for the durability of the ancient city-state. The Greeks themselves saw the homosexual aspect as a binding quality, as Maru has pointed out. The city-state was an esoteric, mystical, and divine body with a kind of androgynous wholeness, and the religion of the city-state was basically a fertility cult. Justice was defined as the law of the city. According to Antiphon the Sophist, probably of Athens in the latter half of the 5th century BC, justice, then, is not to transgress that which is the law of the city in which one is a citizen. There was thus no element of transcendence. No justice existed beyond the city-state because it was an entity with wholeness. According to Diogenes of Apollonia from the same period of Antiphon the Sophist, to sum up the whole matter, all existing things are created by the alteration of the same thing and are the same thing. As a result, each city-state was, in a sense, a cosmos unto itself, with the full spectrum of being from gods to man and to the very earth, so that it was a unity against an outer and inner chaos, and an order for the continuing mastery and use of chaos. Because it was a mystical wholeness, its religion, law, and philosophy were naturally esoteric, in their essence meant for the inner circle. As a result, because the modern Enlightenment mind is insistent upon a neutral rationality, it quietly bypasses such earnest aspects of Pythagoras' teaching as the injunction, "Do not eat beans," and the declaration of Empedocles, "Wretches, utter wretches, keep your hands from beans."